Want to make your next trip smoother? Here's how to add or update a payment method on Booking.com step by step. You can do this on the Booking.com app or in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account you usually book with. Tap your profile icon, then go to Settings, Payments, and Wallet. On desktop, click your name in the top right, then choose Payment Options. Tap Add a Payment Method. You can add a credit card, debit card, or other methods like PayPal, depending on your country. Booking may offer local payment methods too, like Ideal, Apple Pay, or Boleto. It depends on where you're booking from. Once added, Booking stores your info securely. You can choose to make it your default or remove it anytime. Some properties use virtual cards. Booking handles the payment automatically, but having your card on file helps speed up reservations. If you travel often, saving multiple cards helps. You can switch payment methods at checkout without retyping everything. That's how to manage payments on Booking.com. Like and follow for more smart travel booking tips.